In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add headings in Evernote. Whether you're an avid user of Evernote for organizing your notes or just getting started, knowing how to effectively use headings can significantly enhance your notes' readability and organization. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll start by opening Evernote and navigating to the note you want to organize. Once you have your note open, scan through your content to decide which portions of the text you want to highlight with headings. Headings are a great way to break up large blocks of text and to signal to yourself what different sections contain at a glance. Once you've decided on the text you want to format, go ahead and select that portion. It's as easy as clicking and dragging your mouse over the chosen text to highlight it. Selecting the right text is important because headings draw attention and help categorize your notes. Once your text is selected, your next task will be to apply the correct heading style, which you can find in the toolbar. Now, let's look at the toolbar where the heading options are available. As you look at the toolbar above your open note, you'll see several formatting options that will allow you to alter the appearance of your text. Within these options, you'll find different heading styles, ranging from standard text to more prominent headings. If you want to apply a top-level heading for critical sections of your note, you'll use Heading 1, which is usually the largest in size and makes the text really stand out. It's particularly useful for major sections or titles within your notes. If your text does not require such a bold statement, you can opt for Heading 2. It's slightly smaller than Heading 1, but still clear enough to separate significant sections within your note. This can be especially useful for subsections under a major topic. Finally, Heading 3 is available if you need a smaller heading style. This allows you to create subsections, providing your notes with a detailed hierarchy and organization without being visually overwhelming. It's perfect for those smaller, yet distinct sections that still need some emphasis. Remember, utilizing different heading levels effectively can help you quickly navigate your note. It makes the information more digestible and ensures you can find what you need without sifting through paragraphs of text. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can now enhance the structure of your notes in Evernote by adding headings. This small change can have a big impact on how you access and understand your notes. So go ahead, try these steps out in your own Evernote notes and see the difference it makes. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on maximizing your productivity with Evernote.